Oh, so we are kicking off the year with a new annex building for the academy. Yes, so like I said, the academy is expanding, and so we are looking at construction is currently going on, and so we are just looking at how we're going to arrange the tables and the machines. We have about 5 rooms to play with and a whole lot of space, to accommodate our students. Yes, so this is just an extension of the academy. All right, so this is me going around to show where the tables will be, and then where the ironing, all the old paparazzi. I'm so excited. So what are you waiting for? Please, if you know anyone that wants to enroll for fashion and design course, please send them to us. If you want to start up your own fashion business, consult us. We'll definitely give you advices. We have different courses that we can take you on how to kickstart. I also consult for people, if you want me to do everything for you from start to finish. And then if you know organizations, NGOs that want to train people, maybe your church, your mosque, or your community wants to train youths in empowerment, just send them to us. We do all that. We did about 5 projects last year, and here we are this time again. I'm so sure that in a few months time this space will be too small for us. Okay, so yes, please keep referring the Yetroselane Fashion Academy. All right. Happy New Year once again.